YouTube Secrets is a practical guide to building a successful YouTube channel, written by experienced content creators Sean Cannell and Benji Travis. The book shares strategies, insights, and actionable steps for growing an audience, monetizing content, and sustaining long-term success on the platform. Here are some key takeaways from the book. Number 1, the 7 C's of YouTube success. The authors introduce 7 essential principles: courage, start despite imperfection; clarity, define your niche and audience; channel, focus on branding and consistency; content, create valuable, engaging, and searchable videos; community, engage with your audience to build loyalty; cash, monetize through ads, sponsorships, and other income streams; consistency, upload regularly to build trust and growth. Number 2, the power of niche. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focusing on a specific niche allows for faster growth and stronger audience connection. Number 3, YouTube as a search engine. Success depends on optimizing videos for YouTube search. Using strong titles, thumbnails, and keywords improves discoverability. Number 4, the importance of storytelling. Engaging videos keep viewers watching longer, which improves rankings in YouTube's algorithm. Number 5, monetization strategies. Multiple revenue streams such as ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products can help maximize income. Number 6, leveraging trends and analytics. Understanding YouTube analytics and capitalizing on trending topics can boost visibility and engagement. The book provides general information about YouTube, along with specific tactics to make you feel confident in starting your own channel. See the description for a link to purchase the book and subscribe for more videos.